In this video, I will show you an easy way to mix natural organic henna for a dark stain. You can use any natural, good quality henna powder. Sugar 20 grams, henna powder 50 grams, tea water 100 milliliters, asterisk approximate. Essential oil 15 ml. Cover it with cling film. Rest for 12 to 15 hours at room temperature to draw the dye out of the henna. After 15 hours, as you can see, color has changed from green to brown. The processes of dye release varies between 12 to 15 hours. It depends on the quality of your henna powder. Now mix it using any of the following: spoon, fork, or electrical hand mixer. For a large quantity, it is best to use an electrical mixer. Mix it till it becomes smooth and silky. Henna paste is ready. For minutes, henna stain piping bag. Tie the top with the clip or rubber band. Pins 30 to millimeters. Ready to fill the cones. Seal the henna cones as shown. You can store these henna cones up to 6 months. Henna cones are ready to use. Fresh henna stains after 8 hours. This is the final result after 24 hours. The stain has come nice and dark brown. Thank you for watching.